Hey there! Today we're going to be making some peppermint bark. This one is super easy. You just need 3 ingredients and it takes no time at all. Everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this.
Start by getting your peppermint candies. I'm using candy canes for this. I'm putting them in the bag to crush them up. I'm going to use my meat pounder, but you can use anything you have, like a rolling pin or anything you can find, or a hammer, and just crush these peppermints. I'm using a quarter sheet pan with some parchment paper to pour my chocolates in, and I have 10 ounces of white chocolate and 10 ounces of milk chocolate. I started with my milk chocolate, just pour that out onto the sheet pan, and then just spread it on the pan. Give it a couple taps. And then I got my white chocolate, poured that on top. Make sure your milk chocolate hardens and solidifies before you pour your white chocolate. And make sure your white chocolate cools down a bit so that you don't melt the milk chocolate and it mixes. Get those crushed peppermints and just sprinkle them on top of the white chocolate. Once you're done, just let it sit and harden. Flip it out of the pan, remove that parchment paper from the bottom. And then with the knife, I just cut out pieces. You can always just do it with your hands. And there's our peppermint bark.
And that's how quick and easy it is to make this peppermint bark. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see pictures of this and everything I've been making, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below. If you want to leave a suggestion for a future video, put it in the comments down below. And if you want to keep up to date with everything I post, hit the subscribe button as well. Until next time, stay sweet!